Have you ever wondered if the universe is listening to your deepest thoughts and desires? What if I told you that every thought, every whisper of your heart is a conversation with the cosmos? Today, we're going to unravel the mystery of how to speak to the universe correctly, to turn your dreams into your reality. The universe is like a cosmic mirror, reflecting our innermost thoughts and emotions. It's an intricate dance of energy where our consciousness plays the leading role. But how do we ensure that we're heard? How do we make our inner voice resonate with the universe's infinite wisdom? Before we start our journey, make sure to watch this video till the end, and if you are new to our channel, subscribe to it and press the bell icon for more content on manifestation. Let's start by understanding the language of the universe. It's not about the words we use, it's about the vibrations we emit. Our thoughts and feelings are powerful signals, broadcasting into the cosmic expanse. When these signals are clear, positive, and focused, the universe listens and responds. This is the first step in our cosmic dialogue. To truly connect with the universe, we need to be present in the now. The universe operates in the eternal present, responding to our current state of being. Our past memories and future aspirations are mere shadows compared to the power of the present moment. In this now, each thought we hold is potent and significant. Therefore, it's crucial to cultivate thoughts that align with our deepest desires. Imagine your dreams as already fulfilled. Feel the joy, the gratitude, as if what you wish for is already yours. This feeling, this belief, is the language the universe understands best. Remember, our inner world shapes our outer experience. Our attention, our focus, is the paintbrush, and the universe is our canvas. What we choose to paint with our thoughts and emotions becomes our reality. So let's embrace this magnificent power we hold. The universe is an intimate part of us, responding to our every thought, every feeling. Speak to the universe with clarity, with positivity, with love. And most importantly, listen to the echoes of the universe responding to your call. You are a magnificent creator, and the universe is eagerly listening to your voice. Speak, believe, and watch as the world transforms around you. In the tapestry of life, every thought we weave, every emotion we stitch, speaks to the universe. But to truly engage in this cosmic dialogue, to be heard and understood, we must learn the subtle art of speaking to the universe in the right way. Imagine yourself as a traveler in the vast expanse of the cosmos. Your words, your intentions are like beacons of light, cutting through the darkness, reaching out to the universe. But it's not just about sending signals, it's about sending the right ones. To speak with heartfelt intention, let your words emerge from the depths of your true self. When you communicate with the universe, do it with honesty and sincerity. It's like whispering a secret to a close friend. The universe leans in, listens closely when you speak your truth. As you continue this journey, ensure that your thoughts and emotions are in harmony. They are the melody and harmony of your cosmic song. When your feelings echo your thoughts, the message becomes clearer, stronger. Feel the joy, the gratitude, the love of your desires as if they already exist in your reality. This alignment creates a resonance, a frequency that the universe can't help but respond to. Now, imagine painting your desires in the canvas of the cosmos. Clarity is your brush, your desires the colors. Be specific, be vivid in what you ask for. The universe is vast and infinite, and it responds best to clear, focused intentions. It's like focusing sunlight through a magnifying glass. The sharper your focus, the more powerful the response. As you weave your desires into the fabric of the cosmos, do so with unwavering belief and trust. Speak to the universe not with hope, but with conviction. Believe deeply and unquestionably that what you seek is not only possible, but is already on its way to you. This belief, this trust, is the wind that carries your words across the cosmos. Moving gracefully into our second step of this cosmic dialogue, we encounter the profound power of the present tense. The universe, in its infinite wisdom, recognizes only the now as the tangible reality. It's a realm where everything unfolds, where each moment holds the potential for creation. In the art of speaking to the universe, it's essential to frame our thoughts and words as if our desires are already fulfilled. The universe doesn't process thoughts of the future or reminisce in the past. It responds to the energy of the present. When we say, "I will be successful," the universe hears a deferment, a wish lingering in the future. Instead, shift your language to reflect your reality as you wish it to be now. Say, "I am successful," and feel the truth of these words in your current existence. This step is about embodying your desires in the present moment. It's not just a linguistic trick, it's a shift in mindset and vibration. By speaking and thinking in the present tense, you align yourself with the reality you wish to create. It's like setting the coordinates in a cosmic GPS, guiding the universe to where you want to be now, not someday. Think of this step as a bridge between your current reality and the one you wish to manifest. By affirmatively stating your desires as present truths, you build this bridge, plank by plank, with the power of your belief and the strength of your conviction. The universe then responds in kind, matching your vibrational frequency and bringing your desires into the tangible now. The present tense, a language beyond time. In this step, we learn to speak a language beyond time. It's about transforming "I will be" into "I am." This is not just a grammatical shift, but a profound alteration in how we perceive and interact with our reality. When we say, "I will be successful," we're placing our aspirations in an indefinite future. Instead, by affirming, "I am successful," we invite the universe to respond to our present reality, our current state of being. Embodiment of desires in the now. This practice involves more than just verbal affirmations. It's about embodying the essence of our desires in the here and now. Feel the emotions associated with your dreams as if they are already part of your present experience. This embodiment creates a powerful vibrational match with the universe, making your desires more tangible and attainable. Visualization, seeing your reality in the present. Enhance this step with the power of visualization. See yourself living your dream in vivid detail, not as a future event, but as a present reality. Engage all your senses in this visualization. What does it feel like? What sounds and sights are around you? This detailed imagery reinforces your present tense thinking, making it more real and powerful. Consistency in present tense affirmations. Consistency is key in this practice. Regularly affirm your present tense realities. Make it a daily ritual, a part of your morning routine, or your nightly reflections. The more consistently you affirm and visualize your desires in the present tense, the more deeply they are ingrained in your consciousness and the more profoundly the universe responds. Overcoming doubt and cultivating belief. It's natural to encounter doubt in this process, especially when your current reality seems far from your affirmations. However, it's crucial to cultivate belief and to overcome these doubts. Remind yourself that the universe operates beyond the apparent limitations of your current circumstances. Trust in the power of your affirmations and in the universe's ability to manifest them. So, as you continue this journey of cosmic communication, embrace the present tense with all its potential and power. Speak of your dreams and aspirations as if they are already part of your reality, and watch as the universe conspires to make your present tense declarations your living truth. As we draw our cosmic conversation to a close, remember that the dialogue with the universe is an ever-unfolding journey, not a destination. The words we've shared today are mere signposts, guiding you towards a deeper, more intimate communion with the infinite. In your daily walk through life, hold close the knowledge that your thoughts, your words, are powerful instruments of creation. They are the whispers that the universe leans in to hear, the melodies that resonate in the grand symphony of existence. Speak to the universe with intention, with belief, and most importantly, with a heart full of gratitude and wonder. As you step forward from here, carry with you the awareness that you are not just a part of the universe. You are a living, breathing expression of it. Your desires, your dreams, are the universe's way of experiencing itself through you. So, speak your truth, live your dreams, and know that the universe is always listening, always responding, always co-creating with you. I hope you enjoyed this video. See you in the next one.